Hi guys, so we'll do two things today very quickly. Nifty, I don't think you can do day trading and make money. And why do I say that? If you look at today's Nifty 5 minute chart for an intraday trader, it was almost impossible to make money. What happened is, this is a 5 minute chart. When market opened at 9:30, it went up. It kept going up until 10 a.m. So half an hour market really went up to 24,580. And then just look at this one. After 10 until let's say 12:30, it went down. Amazing. Then it went up again 200 points, went down 100 points, went up another 100 points, and went down. This market is crazy. You cannot make money when you are doing day trading. A lot of people have told, a lot of people just do not realize it's very difficult to make money in day trading. Yes, people sell options and all of that, and then they make some breadcrumbs, small amount of money. But I do not think it is a sustainable way to make money. Day trading is very difficult. It's almost impossible because you're fighting against the computers. Now, which stocks are in momentum? We normally do this every day. So some of the stocks which I've been talking about, they came with bad results, like Bajaj Finance. It went down, but now it has started to recover. So it's up to 2.5%. The problem with momentum stocks is that if they give a poor result, they go down a lot. But I would still say that the market is more oriented towards local domestic stories, and market is more oriented towards finance sector, NBFCs, banks, and so on. So the local story, for example, is Bharti Airtel. It came down from 1900, but it is still holding strong. Local story. DV Slab, it has been strong. I do not invest in. Pharma has a lot of issues. Eicher Motor, again, local story. Auto has an issue though with the tariffs, so be careful. But I would say that Eicher Motor has dropped enough for you to start looking at an entry below 5200, not 5400, but below 5200. You can analyze it for a fresh entry. Then you have HDFC Bank, again amazing strength. It's up today. HDFC Life, it is a little bit volatile. It goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. Last day it went up to 750. It's come down. I won't invest above 700. Then you have Sun Pharma, again very strong. Some of the pharma stocks have been doing okay. Then you have Kotak Bank. I think it is something which you can, at this price, at around 2150, you can buy it for the long term. Kotak Bank is a very strong bank. Then you have Indigo, again domestic story. It went down for 3-4 days because of all the airspace and all those kinds of news between India and Pakistan, but I don't think long-term story hasn't changed. It's almost the same story. For last 2 years, it's an amazing company. It is growing. It's growing in the international market and so on. So again, a very domestic story, and the prices for airlines have not dropped. They have, if you go from Hyderabad to Delhi or to Chennai or any other place, the prices have been very, very strong. And especially tier 2 cities, prices have been extremely strong. ICICI Bank, again amazing strength. ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, HDFC Bank, those are the three banks. I think, yes, they have momentum, but these are the three banks you should have in your portfolio. So we have lost a little bit of momentum. In Nifty, as I said, making money in day trading is almost impossible. You can get lucky, but you will not get lucky every day. For individual stocks, you need to look at the domestic stories, you need to look at the banks, you need to look at the NBFCs. That is where you will make money. So those are the two things which I wanted to talk to you today. Gold has come off a lot. We'll do another video on gold. We talked about gold in the last video where we said gold has a history of high volatility. 2011 to 2016, gold dropped by around 40%. Can it happen again? It can happen again, but we don't know. Alright, guys, so this is for today. See you tomorrow.